What do I love to do on the weekends? That's easy. I love to sauna. Gentle steam helps my body feel divine. It helps me to relax and unwind. It helps alleviate sore muscles. Plus, regular sauna sessions just like this one are chock full of health benefits. In fact, recent studies have shown that saunaing 4 to 7 times per week reduces most major health illnesses, it decreases all-cause mortality, while simultaneously boosting longevity. So, this practice right here, it can literally help you live longer. Unfortunately, since I moved to Washington, a state that's covered in clouds 90% of the time, my sauna game has been put on hold. I've literally driven up and down the state looking for a decent hot sauna, only to discover that most of them are either too expensive to attend regularly or are simply just too mediocre to be enjoyable. And so, for the last 3 years, I've caught myself daydreaming about owning my own steam room. A steam room that I could fire up anytime, anywhere. In this dream, I can crank the heat as high as it'll go. I can also splash water onto the rocks. And I can do both of these things without anybody yelling at me or telling me how to live my life. My fantasy sauna, it also sits on wheels and can be towed deep into nature. There, I can sweat to my heart's content, and then I can jump into a cold body of water like a lake, a river, or an ocean. I've been living in fantasy land for long enough, and now I'm finally ready to act on this dream. That's why this fall I'm gearing up to shoot a new feature film called Sauna Trailer. The name more or less describes what this movie's gonna be about. I'm gonna build a custom mobile sauna, and while I'm at it, I'm gonna record the entire process and make a comprehensive video that shows the entire build from start to finish. For those truly interested in chasing their own mobile dream steam, I'll also be publishing a detailed satellite ebook. Now this book is gonna further elaborate on how to safely and responsibly build a custom mobile DIY sauna. And I've launched this new Kickstarter campaign to help me finance the entire project. As part of the fundraiser, I'm pre-selling copies of the movie, as well as the ebook to help make my dream a reality. And finally, if you want to experience a sauna trailer firsthand, I'll be hosting a special retreat in the summer of 2020 where you can do just that. At this retreat, we're gonna be camping in a beautiful campground, one that's situated on a charming Washington beach. Together, we're gonna sauna, we're gonna cold plunge. I'm gonna show you how to flap yourself with oak branches, Russian style. Together, we're gonna work out with kettlebells, these little bad boys right here. We're gonna drink freshly made green smoothies. We're gonna eat healthy food. We're gonna do yoga. But most importantly, we're gonna connect with each other. So back this project today, and let me introduce you to your new favorite hobby. Ooh, can you feel that? That's good.